This year heralds the 555th anniversary of the passing of Skenderbeu, Albania's lion-hearted hero who valiantly led the resistance against the mighty Ottomans. And what is history without a touch of modern reverence? To celebrate this icon, Franck Muller unveils the exquisite Vanguard Racing Skenderbeu timepiece, a masterful homage to a legend whose spirit takes through the ages. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about the brand Franck Muller or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Franck Muller timepiece in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our webshop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Franck Muller timepieces, including the Vanguard Skenderbeu. Franck Muller pays tribute to a hero and a legend. Skenderbeu, also known as Gjergj Kastrioti, the 15th century Albanian luminary celebrated as a mastermind in military strategy. Beyond his defiance against the Ottoman Empire, Skenderbeu lit the spark for the Albanian reawakening in the 19th century, paving the way for the birth of modern Albania. Skenderbeu's far-reaching impact, resonating in both his homeland and across Europe, caught the discerning eye of Franck Muller. In tribute, they crafted a timepiece reflecting his magnificence. This timepiece isn't just brimming with detail, it's a veritable canvas of intricate storytelling. At the heart, the meticulously carved golden visage of Skenderbeu captivates, his iconic beard and helm shining resplendently. This centerpiece is encased by a fiery red dial, a powerful emblem of the hero's valor, his nation's spirit, and the sacrifices they bore. Look even closer and you will find a masterstroke by the artisans at Franck Muller. The second hand is fashioned in the likeness of an Ottoman-style curved sword, a faithful companion in Skenderbeu's campaigns across Europe. Beyond these standout features, the timepiece's allegiance to the Vanguard collection is undeniable. Hand-painted oversized numerals, the dial's brushed finish, skeletonized hour and minute hands, and the strategically positioned date window at 6 o'clock are all testaments to its lineage. The Skenderbeu retains the signature chunky profile of a Vanguard timepiece, measuring 44 mm in width, nearly 54 mm lug to lug, and boasting a thickness of 12.7 mm. With its robust build, it likely favors collectors with larger wrists. On the back, the artisan's meticulous attention to detail, which features an engraved back with the silhouette of the double-headed eagle, which is Albania's national symbol, gives the timepiece that extra flavor. Nevertheless, we can't deny the robustness of the timepiece nor the boldness which represents some of the attributes of the hero Skenderbeu. As the wrist size comparison shows, it is for sure a perfect fit on a larger wrist size, such as above 18 cm, but might be too dominant on a smaller wrist size. However, as we always say, convince yourself and give it a try at one of our boutiques where you can discover this timepiece with our experts together. Powering this distinctive timepiece is the FM800DT self-winding movement, complete with a bidirectional rotor system. Designed in-house, this caliber operates at 28,800 beats per hour and promises a power reserve of up to 42 hours. In keeping with the theme, Franck Muller presents the Vanguard Racing Skenderbeu with an alligator strap matching the vibrant red hue found in the dial. Beyond its comfortable fit, this bold color choice sets you apart from the crowd, emphasizing your confidence in embracing your unique rhythm. With the Vanguard Racing Skenderbeu limited to 35 pieces, Franck Muller has done an excellent job capturing the essence of the hero and preserving his legacy for future generations. Franck Muller's Vanguard Racing Skenderbeu, priced at 38,000 Swiss francs, is more than just a timepiece. It tells a story and pays tribute to a nation with a rich history and a hero and a legend who faced challenges that would have made any other man cringe. But he always held his head high, his spirit unwavering, determined never to give up. We are delighted to have the Franck Muller Vanguard Racing Skenderbeu timepiece, the latest addition to its Vanguard Racing collection, at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service. we will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Is this limited edition timepiece set to become an iconic masterpiece? Or will it edge its place as a captivatingly intriguing novelty? And how do you feel about Franck Muller's fusion of classic elegance with the casual approach of its Vanguard line? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.